Hey everyone, this is Anthony. In this video, we will be discussing how to add real numbers. And there's a few different techniques and patterns that we're going to see, and we'll just jump into a few examples of each kind. The first one will be when both numbers are positive. And a positive number is just one that's greater than 0. Okay, so an example of this, it could be something like 2 plus 5. And when the numbers are positive, we're going to think about going to the right. So I like to make my number line, I always have 0, and we're going to start at 0, and the first number, because it's positive, means we're going to go to the right by 2, and then from our new location we're going to go another 5 to the right because this is also positive. 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 7, and then we end up at 7. All right, we'll do one more like this. And for this next example, let's go ahead and say we have 4 plus 9. Okay, same idea. We'll make our number line. We'll have 0, and our first number is 4. It's a positive 4, so we're going to move to the right by 4. 1 2 3 4. And then we're going to move another 9 to the right because this 9 is positive. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's go a little bit further. 9. And if we count 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and we see that our answer is 13. All right, now what we're going to do is when one number is positive and one number is negative. All right, so one number is positive or greater than 0, and the other number will be negative. All right, and we'll do a couple of examples. So our first example, let's say we have 4 plus negative 5. All right, 4 plus negative 5. And so 4 plus negative 5, all we're going to do is we'll make our number line again. Start with 0. And our first number is positive, so we said, just like before, we're going to go to the right by 4. 1 2 3 4. But now we have a negative 5, so negative, we mentioned earlier, we're going to go to the left. So positive to the right, negative to the left. So now we're going to go back 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and we should end up at negative 1. All right, and let's do a second example, and we'll start off with a negative, and then let's say we add 6. All right, so once again, we're going to make our number line. All right, oops, and you know what, let's put 0 over here. And we're going to start by moving to the left. So our first real number is a negative, so we're going to move to the left by 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And we'll make this actually a negative 8. Negative 7. All right. So we're going to start at 0, move to the left by 7. But now what we're going to do, we're adding, so we move back to the right. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And we see we end up at negative 1. All right, pretty cool. All right, one last example and type of problem. It's when both numbers are negative. All right. -4 plus -5. All right. So same idea. Both numbers, though, are negative, so both times we're going to move to the left. So we're going to make our number line. We're going to start at 0. And the way I determine where to put 0 is depending how much we're going to have to go in either direction. So I see here we're going to have to go to the left twice, so I move 0 further to the right-hand side. All right, so we're going to start at 0. We're going to move to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go another 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. All right, and there we have it.